Hey guys, I'm Swati and welcome back to my channel. So this was the day 2 of trip to Andamans and this was the last day of 2020. So it was 31st December. And I ended this day with a bang. But before we dive into the vlog, just don't forget to subscribe and press the bell button. You can also find me on Instagram too. So now let's get started. We had to visit two places today, Elephanta Beach and the Radhanagar Beach, but first we'll go to Elephanta Beach. I was so excited to start my day, so after having breakfast I stepped outside and reached Ferry Point. Now we are at Ferry Point and from here we're gonna take boat ride and it will take us to the Elephanta Beach. There we'll do some activities. So let's go. To reach Elephanta Beach, there are two routes. One from the jetty point from where you can reach through the boat, or you can walk through the forest to reach Elephanta Beach. But for this you have to hire a guide. So I opt for the speedboat ride from the Ferry Point. After thermal scanning and receiving the boat tickets, finally we boarded the boat. It was a 30 minutes ride from the Ferry Point to Elephanta Beach, and that 30 minutes were beyond words. You can imagine being surrounded by the waters all around, and the water is dark blue. What a lovely feeling it was. And finally, we reached Elephanta Beach around 10:30 am. And I'm probably not finding words to describe the beauty of this beach. The colors of waters, the sand things made it so beautiful. The fallen tree on the beach looks like an artifact carefully crafted. Everything was so perfect. This beach is famous for water sports activities in Andamans, and it offers the most perfect conditions for a memorable snorkeling experience. So I went to do that first. The vibrant undamaged reefs comes packed with a wide variety of fishes, and that gives out a feeling of amazement and awe. The waters here are crystal clear, allowing the maximum underwater visibility one could expect, and is perfectly shallow with just right amount of current, so you can easily float near the sea surface and enjoy your experience without any difficulties. And then we went to the ski ride, my favorite. I have done this in Goa too, so I was not scared even a bit. After completing the ride, I realized that it is way better than the Goa, so I did it twice. With the water sports activities, we have done snorkeling and ski, and now we are enjoying in the water. And after that, we'll go back to the Ferry Point. After doing the beach adventure rides, I realized one thing, that rides are good but not really worth, as they are quite expensive compared to cost they charge. After a lot of enjoyments and photography, we went to get the shower, and after that I had some snacks because I was starving. Overall, it was an amazing experience at Elephanta Beach. At 1:30 p.m., we went to the same boat to get back to the ferry point. And then we again came back to our hotel so that we can get freshen up and had our lunch. After having lunch and getting some rest around 3:30 p.m., driver came to take us to the Radhanagar beach. It was some 7.5 kilometers from our hotel.
So this is the route to Radhanagar beach, and it is famous for beautiful sunset. So I'm going to watch it. Let's see.
From here, it is a walking distance. And here it is. And when I saw the Radhanagar beach, I was speechless. It is the most cleanest beach I have ever seen. It was quite long and incredibly clean with awesome white sand.
So guys, now we are at Radhanagar beach, and it is really beautiful beach. You should definitely visit once when you are in Andaman. So
the beach sand was really soft and there are hardly any rocks. There was perfect view of sunset while I was enjoying in the waves. I got exactly what I heard about this beach. And when you get outside the beach campus, there are shops serving snacks of different kinds. After all, I would say it is must-visit place for anyone who is visiting Andamans. And then we came back to the hotel. Since it was 31st of December and the New Year Eve, I was expecting some kind of New Year beach parties in Havelock. But due to COVID-19, parties were banned. So I had to welcome the New Year being alone. But it's okay, changes are good sometimes. So we bought some drinks and snacks and went to our resort's private beach. It was so calm and silent. We chatted there and welcomed the New Year 2021. It was also nice because I'm a party freak person and every year I engage myself in parties. So I never tasted the beauty of calmness on New Year, but this trip to Andamans made me feel this. Overall, it was a great day and I slept at 2 at night cause I had to wake up early to do something most adventurous on this trip. So this is how I ended my second day of the trip. So guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.